sharing my favorite beauty hair hack, magical flick. So for that, divide the front section and bring it in front. Take one scissor and chop off your hair. Just tricking you all, no scissor involved, as this is magical flick. So for that, insert your finger like this till eyebrow level, flip up your down hair, slide your both fingers downward direction one side like this. And your end part of the flick, you can twist it and hold it at the back. Before pinning it up, you can adjust your front flick as you desire. Once you feel that you are happy and satisfied with your front flick, pin up your ends with a bobby pin like that. Even after pinning it up, you can adjust your hair, your flick according to your wish. It won't move or get clumsy, and it will stay whole day long and will look very real. This hairstyle, this magical flick, look very beautiful and very elegant, which I do very frequently. So without chopping your hair, you can enjoy flick. Well, I'm sure you love this beauty hair hack and you're gonna try right away. Do try and share your experience with me. Look after yourself, stay happy, stay stylish.